With one-story living in a compact space and the possibility of countless variations, the Xyla is one of Unity's most versatile platforms. Xylas are especially popular with clients looking to downsize into a home that offers good accessibility and low, predictable operating costs. The gable roof lends itself to the installation of PV panels. Many Xylas are net zero, producing as much energy as they consume. While the Xyla, like all of Unity's platforms, can be built on a full foundation, many clients choose the more economical option of a slab foundation. Many of our Xylas have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and range in size from 1,500 to 1,800 square feet. We've also built more compact Xylas with 2 bedrooms and 1 bath in the 1,000 to 1,500 square foot range. We offer 2 basic options for the Xyla shell, one with flat ceilings and another with vaulted ceilings. The vaulted option is more dramatic, with exposed timbers and ceilings that slope up to the ridge and typically include conditioned attic space for storage. The open-plan kitchen, dining, living area is at the heart of every Xyla. Popular add-ons include a mudroom entry connector between the main house and the garage, and a screened porch adjacent to the living room. Visit unityhomes.com to see our floor plans, featured projects, and to learn more about working with Unity.